Hello friends, this is Dr. Meenakshi. Welcome again to task 2. So let's check statement first. So the statement is people are encouraged to get rid of the things in order to get the newest fashion and the latest technology. Do the advantages outweigh disadvantages? So what is the meaning of statement? So the meaning is people just like to buy new things. It is only due to the jet set age, right? It is only due to the newest fashion and technology, and they just like to throw the older ones. So the question is, do the advantages of this trend are more than its disadvantages, right? As I mentioned earlier, people just like to buy the new things and like to throw the older ones. So you have to just explain the advantages and disadvantages of this trend. But in question, do the advantages, they are asking as per you, do the advantages are more than or disadvantages are more than its advantages. Okay, so let's start with the introduction part. So we will start with it is true that, or we will say there is no iota of doubt that. So it is only about the consumerism. Consumerism means buy new things and like to throw the older ones. So we can say that consumerism is promoted in many nations of the world. That is all about rephrasing. Okay, as I told you so many times that there are two ways to rephrase the given statement. First one is word to word rephrasing, and second one is all about you have to just make sense what is given to you. According to that you will form one sentence. Okay, so as I mentioned here, there is no iota of doubt, means it is true that there is no doubt that consumerism is promoted in many nations of the world. Okay, it is all about rephrasing, and in the second one, that is called as the thesis statement, you have to just give your opinion. So I would prefer to write here that I believe that, or I reckon that, or I surmise that. Also you can write here that the demerits of this trend are more than its merits. Okay, so first of all you have to just rephrase the given statement, and in the second one I believe that, or I reckon that, or I surmise that. After that you will give your opinion that, as I mentioned here, that the demerits of the stated trend are more than the merits. Okay, so according to the thesis statement, you have to just make its format. So format will be in the upcoming paragraphs, but you will write the two merits in body paragraph 1 and the three demerits. Okay, that is in body paragraph 2, because as we are saying demerits are more than merits. So you will write the 2 merits and the 3 demerits in your body paragraphs. I hope it's clear. Now let's start discussion with the points. Okay, so what can be the merits and what can be the demerits of this stated trend? Okay, let's start with the discussion with the merits. Okay, so first of all, as the demand of things is increasing, so that means consumerism leads to the mass production. Okay, so it leads to the mass production. So mass production means making the things in the large quantities, large amount. So definitely it opens up many vistas of employment for the local people, right? Or we can say which is just good for the employment. Okay, and consequently that is not only good to raise the living standard of the people, but also is good to just spur the economic growth of the country. Is it clear? That is all about the first merit. Okay, as the consumerism lead to the mass production. Okay, due to that it just to provide opportunities to the people, right? That is all about the employment, and moreover due to the employment, not only it just helps to you can say raise the living standard of the people, but also helps to swift or spur or uplift the economic growth. That is the first and foremost positive. Now come to the second one, that is people nowadays have a lot of choices. That is only due to consumerism. Right? People nowadays have a lot of choices. What does it mean? It means nowadays more and more manufacturing companies just come in the market to sell their products. So that's why people nowadays have a lot of choices. Why? That is only because of the consumerism, that more and more or increasing number of manufacturing companies or industries just come in the market to just sell their product. Is it clear? So you can cite here one example. So you can say 2 decades ago in India, right, only the 2 types of shoes were available, that were Action and Bata. Right, but nowadays people have a lot of choices. For example, Reebok, Nike, Skechers, Adidas, right, Red Tape, etc. Got it? So that is the second positive of consumerism. These 2 positives you will write in body paragraph 1. These are the merits. Now, as we mentioned here, that is in the thesis statement, that the demerits are more than. So 2 merits you will write in the body paragraph 1, and what you have to do, you have to just write the 3 demerits in your task. Okay. Now let's start discussion with the demerits. Hanji, what can be the demerits? First and foremost, we can say as consumerism just lead to the use and throw culture. Right, use and throw culture means people like to buy new things and like to just throw the older ones instead of just making repair of those things. Right, so that is all about the first demerit, that people nowadays have just adopted use and throw culture. So use and throw culture. So that's why we can see the heaps of rubbish everywhere, right? Or that is why heaps of rubbish can be seen everywhere. Heaps of rubbish means which results in the soil and air pollution. Got it now? So use and throw culture means you can say heaps of rubbish. Heaps of rubbish can be seen everywhere, which results in not in the air pollution but also in the soil pollution. Right? So pollution means consequently our environment is deteriorating, okay, or which takes a heavy toll on our environment. That is the first and foremost negative of the consumerism. Now come to the second one. As we know, we can say unnecessary packaging is being done on the things, right, to make it appealing to the eyes. Got it? So that people just like to buy those things which just appeal them, right? So that's why what the manufacturing companies do, they just like to do the over packaging, right? As we know, that material means packaging material is non-biodegradable, that cannot be decomposed, so just ends up into just dumped into the water bodies or the rivers. Consequently, the negative is that the marine life is affecting. So second is all about the packaging material which is non-biodegradable or which cannot be decomposed. Cannot be decomposed means just end up throwing into or dumping into the rivers or the water bodies. So consequently, marine life is affecting. That is the second negative or the demerits or the disadvantage. Now come to the second one. So second one, we can talk about the workaholism. As we know, in quest to just buy these things or purchase new things or purchase the newest fashion and the latest technological things, what the people do, they just like to do work round the clock. Whole day they are just busy in their work, right? So, or we can say as the people of today have become factotum to meet the demands of this consumerist society, right? So consequently, the negative is that the people just fail to maintain their personal and professional lives. Consequently, tribal disputes may occur in the families. So that is the third negative, or we can say consequently, actual relationships has taken a back seat. That is only due to the consumerism that people of today have become workaholics. That is all about third negative is workaholism. I hope it's clear. That is very easy. Now come to the fourth and the last one. as we will discuss here 4 points, but you have to only write the 3 ones. Okay, so fourth and the last one can be all about, as we know that nowadays children and youngsters mostly just get allured or get attracted towards the things which they have seen around them. So what they do, they just like to buy them, so pester their parents to buy those things. They just pester means pressurize their parents, right, to buy those particular things for them. But sometimes parents are not able to afford the things for them, so consequently they, as they just want to buy the things by any hook or crook, so what they do, they just are resort to commit crimes, right? They are resort to commit the petty crimes. For example, chain snatching, phone snatching, or we can talk about the pickpocketing, etc. So that is the third negative. So we can say due to the consumerism, as the crime rate is also escalating. Which crime rate? As I mentioned about the youngsters especially, that is all about the juvenile delinquency rate. That is escalating, or that is we can say increasing day by day. Okay, that is all about the crime rate. So I hope it's clear to everybody. So these are the 4 negatives or the demerits of this trade, but you have to only write the 3 ones. Any 3 ones you can write here. Okay, and at last, in conclusion, what you will do, you will just reiterate the thesis statement. Reiterate, you can say, so in conclusion it can be reiterated that the negatives, instead of writing again the demerits, we can say negatives, we can say cons and pros also. Cons means negatives and pros means positives. So cons of the given notion: eclipse, outstrip, overshadow, right? So we have so many synonyms to use here. That is all about the more than, right? So we can say the negatives or the cons of the given notion. Eclipse, as we can say eclipse means more than, the, you can say cons. Okay, that's all. You will not write anything else in conclusion. Okay, so that's all about your test 2. I hope it's clear to everybody. If you just like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do comment also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.